This is your host Kay, and this video is presented by none other than Asset Daddy. We are here at SPR Road, Sector 70, Gurgaon, for us to explore the newest project, the luxury project of Tulip, the Tulip Crimson. So buckle up your seatbelt and let's explore the sample and the model of the Tulip Crimson. Before investing into any project, it's very important to understand the location that the project is situated at. And this project is just bang on SPR Road, just 100 meters away from the actual site. Also, 5 minutes away from the upcoming DLF Phase 6 and Cyber City 2. And not just this, but also it's well connected to the NH8, Sona Road, and all the major micro markets. Before investing in any property, it's very important to understand the builder's background. And let me tell you, this is a zero debt company, which means they do not have any financial burden from the third party, which makes the completion of the property smooth like a butter. And also, when the project was launched, it got sold out within a blink of an eye, whereas the other projects were struggling to sell and they had to bring schemes in order for them to sell, which shows the buyer's trust in builder's vision. If you want to know more about Tulip as a builder, we recently did a podcast with Tulip's representative. You can check it out. The link is in the description below. So this is how your entire project is going to look like. The main entrance is from 84-meter wide road. This is an entire non-vehicular movement area. Also, you get exclusive 5 towers that is facing north and south. Apart from that, the apartments are facing east and west. You get 720 units in this, and apart from that you get also 70,000 square feet of exclusive clubhouse. And the best thing is the 3 towers are already sold out. As you can see, the 9.5 acres of land in which 65% is covered in greens. Also, the elevation of the tower is G+36, in which the south facing balconies directly open up to the Aravallis. I am very excited. So without further ado, let's just go and explore the sample apartment. So finally the wait is over. Welcome to the sample flat. It's a 4 BHK plus study plus a servant room with 3090 square feet, and you're welcomed by a massive door that is 9 foot tall. It responds to face, fingerprint and key. As soon as you enter, you are welcomed by a grandeur of 16 feet for area. अब सोचो कि आपकी एंट्री ऐसी है तो आपका घर कैसा होगा? And trust me guys, इस टिकट साइज पे इतनी बड़ी एंट्री कोई बिल्डर नहीं देता. So when you enter, you can see a very massive living room. बहुत ही बड़ा है ये. The reason why it's massive is because it is 11 by 21 square feet. And trust me, I can move very freely here, even when the builder has placed so beautiful movable items here. Which means, अगर आप कभी भी पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज करते हो, कोई गैदरिंग्स होती है, एनिवर्सरी हुआ, बर्थडे पार्टीज हुई, then you can very easily gather at least 18 to 20 people here. And there's one more interesting thing, guys. I will show you that's gonna blow your mind. Come here. This is the masterpiece that I was talking about. जहाँ पे builders इस ticket size पे छोटी सी balcony देते हैं, but here they have provided a 8 feet deck. In Hindi, it's called veranda. जहाँ पे you get another very big space in order to accommodate 10 more people. So it's massive. And also, let me tell you, railing is also very tall, which means this is kids friendly. So this was all about the beautiful living room and a massive deck area. Now, there's another surprise, because here the surprises are never ending. Let's move to the dining area. So this is a surprise number 2. Here it's the dining area. They've given 8 seaters here, but you can customize it according to your choice and preferences. It is 20 by 10 feet. And can you see what a luxury they have created? You do not need to go to any 5-star or 7-star hotel. This is your hotel kind of a home. Even when you call any guest, trust me, they would be blown out by the interiors of it. And you can customize and make interiors according to yourself. अब जब खाने की बात हो ही गई है, तो वहाँ चलते हैं जहाँ खाना बनाया जाता है. Can you see it? This is massive. Usually, builders don't provide a place for food where it is going to be prepared and food where it is going to be cooked, but they have provided. Usually ऐसा होता नहीं है. And trust me guys, anybody who is going to cook here is going to love it. Be it a Michelin chef, a housewife, or a husband who loves to cook for his wife. Surprises are never ending because this is a fully loaded and fully equipped kitchen. They have provided the refrigerator, oven, OTG, everything is here. You're going to get the kitchen as you can see here in this video. What? There's a balcony also?
It's normal, yeah?
No, it's a massive balcony. And come here, can you see? This is a utility balcony, not just normal balcony. They have provided a washing machine and a dryer as well. Where do you get this? So this was all about the beautiful kitchen and the utility balcony that we saw. And the builder has also given a very good amount of space for anything that you can keep here. Be it a very precious antique item or you can make it a mini bar. Mirror? Yes. But also this is the mirror of each other. Equal size, just with different interiors, in order for you to understand how a room would look with warm lights and also with white lights. Come, let's check it out. Now let's come to this beautifully decorated room. It's 11 by 13 in size, and even when the movable items are placed here, I can very freely walk here. And there is one more thing here. Did you see the deck that we were talking about in the living room? Though we are not going again because I already showed it to you there, but you can access it from here. And also when you enter the washroom, you'll get this digitally equipped mirror, and all the fittings and the fixtures that are available in the washroom, you're going to get it as it is. Also, there is this non-skid tiles that is placed here. The reason why you see this room is huge because the floor to ceiling height is 12 feet. Usually the builders provide 10 feet height, but it's 12 feet. And there's also a reality that I need to tell you. They do not provide any movable items. It's just an example in order to show how your house would look if you decorate it like this. You can decorate it like this, or you can decorate it as you like. Also, you will not get this wardrobe, but this flooring is going to be wooden flooring. And here, the reason why this is a good flooring is you do not fall even when water is spilled. अब हम आते हैं दूसरे रूम में, जो कि आइडेंटिकल है साइज में, जो कि अभी हमने पहले वाले रूम को देखा. एंड अभी तक हम जितने सारे रूम्स, किचन, लिविंग रूम एंड डाइनिंग रूम सब देख रहे थे, दोज वर इन वार्म लाइट. नाउ दिस इज अ ब्राइट लाइट, एंड गेस व्हाट, आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इट. एंड कैन यू सी, दिस इज अगेन a different bathroom that we see, but of the same size and everything is same. And एक चीज जो मैं आपको बताना भूल गई थी, ये पूरे घर में VRV centralized AC है. So you're not able to see AC as of now, but you will feel the cool. After COVID, people have realized the importance of work from home culture that is brewing right now. So here is your space. This can be used either to study for your children or either to make it as a place for you to work for. Or there's another alternative that is available. You can make it as a puja room. आप भगवान के साथ भी यहाँ पे बैठ के जुड़ सकते हैं. So when people talk about luxury nowadays, minimalism is another word for it. And here, this is the real concoction of a pleasant aesthetics and a minimalistic things. Can you see the texture and a beautiful decorative pieces that the builder has put in here? And also, when I was talking about spaces, this is another space that you get here. And guess what? You can actually place another bed here. So this is the actual elephant in the house. Just by the click of it, it opened. There's some days when you're very lazy, you do not want to just move out of bed. And this is what you get. You get all the fittings in this, and here is the access to the balcony. Your balcony, where you can have a very picturesque view, or a very rainy afternoon, you get a private jacuzzi in your master bedroom. This is a perfect place for you to have a glass of wine and a perfect time for you to relax. You'll get all the fittings that you see here in the washroom as it is, just not this. But this can be an example how you can also have a walk-in closet in your master bedroom. So viewers, did you think it all ended here? No. This is the powder room, and also let me give you a tour of the guest room. And believe me, any guest that comes here, they're gonna love it. Do you see the space that we have in this room? Amazing. And what a decor, again and again I'm telling you. What a wonderful decor done by Tulip. You can take it as an example. Can you see the washroom? It's wonderful. Last but not the least, let's come to the servant room. It doesn't look like a servant room. And believe me, अगर आप किसी servant को यहाँ पे रखते हैं, you'd be jealous. And usually builders do not provide ऐसा servant room. It is usually a guest room or room number 1. And here, if a servant is kept here, then he can easily access the kitchen and the utility area. In case if you have any queries about the project, you can WhatsApp us #Tulip70 on the WhatsApp number mentioned on the screen, and my team will get back to you as soon as possible. This is Kay signing off from Tulip Crimson for today. See you in the next video.